we are unboxing a Jeffree Star mystery box. This box came out for Halloween. If you remember, I did a Valentine's one and a Christmas edition. So let's go ahead and open it. Opening now the tape. Very nice logo. Alrighty, let's see what surprises we will uncover. You guys can have the first look. Looking. Alrighty. Alright, now let's see what we have. We have a picture of Jeffree and some lipsticks. Velvet Trap looks very cool. Nice colors as well. Velvet Trap is the new formula that Jeffree Star is doing. Here we have the receipts, bunch of tissue paper. Ooh, okay. We're gonna move this aside. We're gonna move everything aside now. And let's see what is in this box. And this is the mini box. There's also premium, which we also have inside. Let's go ahead and open it. Alrighty, let's see what we have inside. Okay. We got, doesn't say. Let's open it up and see our surprise. We have is this a lip pencil or an eyebrow pencil? So this is lip liner in the color of Weirdo. It's a nice black color, especially good for Halloween if you want to do that funky makeup. Alright. As you can see, we also have the wrapping paper in Halloween colors. Alright. This box part. We now have liquid lipstick in unicorn blood color. Unicorn blood, huh? Okay, let's see it. Whoa. You see that, guys? Should we try some on? Let's look. Alrighty, I have it on. Also, if you would like, since this is the color of unicorn blood, for your Halloween costume, you could do this as like, I don't know, designs, and this you could use as fake blood. Alrighty, last thing in here. The gloss. I remember in our last package, we also got the gloss. I wonder if it's going to be the same color. Ooh, it's a different color. It's like a more orange color. I love the gloss by Jeffree Star because they're so cool. It's a more orange color, as you can see. Ooh, I can put this over my lipstick. Let's try some on. I look like a vampire. Huh? Here I am. How I think if you use this for Halloween, it would turn out really cool because this is like perfect for Halloween if you celebrate it. Here are the 3 products we got in the mini box. The Weirdo lip liner. The unicorn blood liquid lipstick. And the gloss. Nice orange pinkish color. Alright, we're putting it back in, everything. And let's open the next box. Alright, let's do it. And magic, huh? Another receipt. Tissue paper. There's lots of tissue paper. Wow. That is a pretty big box. Let's open it up. Let's go ahead and open it up. All opened. Let's look inside. You guys can have the first sneak peek. And remember, not sponsored. All right, let me look at it. All right, I see a little beanie. Interesting. Remember our Valentine's beanie, which I still have. Now I have 2 beanies. I love beanies, just in general. See how it looks? Okay, here's the beanie. How does it look? I think all this together looks really well. Okay, I see. Ooh, a Leo. That's funny because I'm a Leo. Look at that. See? That's so funny. This is definitely going to be mine because I'm a Leo. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, okay. This is a liquid lipstick in the name of Leo. It looks very beautiful. I'm gonna go try some on. See you in a second. Here's the Leo liquid lipstick. I usually don't like brown lipsticks, but this one, just something about it makes it pretty. I don't know. Maybe it's more glossy, maybe it's more pigmented, but just something about it that makes me like it more. But I like it. It's really cool. Next item. Weirdo again. Alright, since we already have the Weirdo lip liner, we're going to do a giveaway. So I will announce the giveaway rules at the end. If you want this Weirdo lip liner, stay tuned to the end. Make sure to watch. The gloss. I wonder if it's the same color. The gloss that we got last time was Wet Peach, and this gloss is Shockwave. It looks kind of like a rose gold silver kind of. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay, it already looks really pretty. Whoa, guys, do you see that? We're gonna try it on right now. I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys right now. This is the color. I think this one is less glossy than the other ones. I mean, it's still like very shiny, but it's more matte than glossy because like when even the sound usually sounds like more, but it's like less, I feel like. But it's still very pretty and I very much love it. I love the gloss. These probably are my favorite lipsticks. All right, let's open the next item. I'm so excited. Okay, I wonder what this could be. It feels like soft. Maybe this is a bubble wrap, but it feels hard. Maybe it's like a palette. Last time we got an alien palette, if you guys remember that. Let's see what's inside here. Jeffree Star sticker. Ooh, it's the palette of Beauty Killer. All right, do you see that? It looks like a giant chocolate bar, but without the chocolate parts. Wow, it literally, like, Mom, feel that. Like, do you feel, it literally feels like a hard chocolate bar. And it even says delicious on the back. See, it's a chocolate bar. And now I want some chocolate. Open it up. Okay, I see this pink and gold. It looks so pretty. Okay. Ooh, very nice. I love that. That looks so cool. I'm so excited to look. Okay, you guys want a first look? Should we give them a first look? How pretty is it? Okay. Now, ooh, I see myself in the mirror. It looks very beautiful. Okay, anyways. I see the colors of Star Power, Princess, Violence, Courtney, Expensive, Confession, Vanity, China White, Black Rainbow, and Rich. Let's see. Here is Star Power, Princess, Violence, Rich, Courtney, Black Rainbow, China White, Vanity, Confession, and Expensive. I'm going to have you take a look at that right now. Enjoy that. Oh, these colors are so beautiful. I can't wait to try them on in my beautiful Halloween look. Which one would you say is your favorite? I like Expensive, but I also love Star Power. I love the name of Princess, and I love Gold, so Rich is a pretty cool one for me. Those are probably my top favorites. I also like the Sparkle and Black Rainbow because obviously it's a rainbow. Violence is not bad too. It's like a nice purple, magenta-ish shade. That's really cool. Also, this can be just like a peach color. It's a toner, so. Thank you so much for creating this beautiful box so we can all enjoy. I love this so much, and not sponsored. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I will be doing that a lot more frequently because I love YouTube, and so I love you guys. So I'm going to post, so make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. So don't. Now for the giveaway. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. For the giveaway rules, you'll have to watch my next video because then I will be announcing the rules. Good luck, everyone. Here is a final overview of everything I got. We got Beauty Killer palette with all the lovely colors. Lovely colors, if I do say so myself. We got the gloss, this rose goldy color. We also got the gloss in wet peach color, which I will show you right now. Then we got Leo liquid lipstick. It's upside down. Love that because I'm a Leo myself. Then we got Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick. Like, how amazing is that? Unicorn Blood. And do not forget the Weirdo lip liner. That is also for the giveaway. I hope you all enjoyed. Oh, and don't forget the beanie. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because if you want to get notified every time I post a new video, go ahead. And also, for the giveaway, it will be in my new video, so you're going to have to subscribe and turn those post notifications on. And while you're at it, go ahead and like. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you.